Now the point here, why I'm telling you software, you can think about this one. MS Office is telling, MS Office itself is a software. That means it has the number of application, right? You have the WinWord, you have the, where is that? Am I deleted? Okay, Excel, PowerPoint, right? Access. So your different application merge into one and they made the software, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So you guys are going to build what? The web application for www.yourname.com. Okay. Believe me, I would like to see that one, the output. And you guys are going to build the software, and still I didn't answer why you're calling software. The reason, because you guys are not going to build only the thing which is visible to HR, which is visible to the world. You are going to build something which is, you can change it from your end also. That is called admin panel. Admin panel for your web application. Are you getting? How are you going to change it? That's a question. My question is that, how are you going to change the short description?
By giving some type of authorization to, like, we are admin, we can change it.
Absolutely correct. So there will be the admin side where you can change it, and once you change there, it will reflect to the world or to the client or to whoever you are giving your name. Whenever they load the page, it will reflect there. So strong reason. So here you're not going to build the only one. I'm giving the agenda, guys. I'm making very clear your agenda. You are not going to build only the web application. That is, you're not going to build the something called the data is there in the backend and you're bringing to the front end. No, there will be something called that which is going to hit the database.
Hello.
Because
are we going to use REST APIs?
We are going to use the API as well. Don't worry about it.
Oh, cool.
Okay.
Cool.
We have it. Don't worry. So I'm just telling you that is a long journey. You have it. So right now, just wanted to clear it out that we are the one who's going to build the two things. One is the your www.yourname.com and the admin panel for your website. Web app. Clear? So that means portfolio, 2 application you guys are going to build. Clear with my requirement? And here, individually, you are going to work for this, and group-wise, you are going to work for this. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
For example, who said photo? This point, who pointed? पहला point किसने बोला था?
Yes, sir.
कहाँ है? Yes, sir बोला. Nigam?
No, Dhruv.
So, okay, you said that, right? So, right now, photo has been changed, isn't it? Born till now, isn't it? Your photo. So, definitely, in future also, your photo is going to be changed. So, it means you need somewhere, some place where you can change your photo and it should automatically reflect, right?
Definitely.
Same thing.
Make sure you hold the pen. Make sure not only that you hold the pen, but you write the script from your heart. Be brave when writing your script. It's your story and there are no limits to what you can have, what